Hello lovely, so today I will be attempting an Instagram look. I will display the picture right here. And let's get to it. Well, as you can see, I already did my brows, put on primer on my face. So I will be using these three palettes. So I'm going to start off with this palette. I will be using this shade right here for like the base of my lid. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take a brush like this and take this shade. Brush like this to go in with a soft brown shade. I'll be going with this shade. Take a brush like this, go with like a brown color palette. Something like this. Okay, I'll be using this shade on the inner. It needs a little oomph. I will be going with this then. I'm gonna try this shade. Alright, now for the lower part, brush like this. Going with the blue right here. We'll see. Next palette will be this palette. I'll be using this blue. Okay, something like this. Okay, next I'll be going with a gray eyeliner to do the top. Okay, so this is how I look. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some color correcting, concealer, foundation, all that jazz. For the lashes, I use this brand. Okay, so for contouring, I'll be using this. Take a brush like this, and I'll be using I'm done contouring. I did a little bit of bronzing using my favorite. For blush, I'll be using this. Okay, so for highlight, I'll be using this from Pixie. for the lips, I'm using this lip pencil from LA Girl. It's called Cafe. I'll be going with the Revlon lipstick in 003, Pick Me Up. While I let this dry, I'm gonna get ready. Alright guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Thank you.